We have a new weekly candle close. As you can see, Bitcoin is currently fighting exactly our $59,416. So that's our price level. That's our main level to keep an eye on. We've been keeping an eye on this level since Bitcoin got rejected at the middle of this major channel, as you can see. So we got rejected, and we are trying at the moment to protect our 59,000 level. So last week we update you on this downward channel that Bitcoin keeps repeating all the time, which is good. It's an advantage for us because we keep spotting those channels all the time, and we know what to do once Bitcoin actually retest the bottom of these channels. So retesting the bottom of this channel is a great opportunity to accumulate, and in case of you wanting to trade, the top of the channel could be a great area to take profit or do a quick trade. But otherwise, this is an area that you can keep accumulating or position yourself for the possible breakout to the upside. Hello guys, welcome to NX with your new video, and today is Monday, early Monday, and we have another Bitcoin weekly candle close. Not just a simple weekly candle close, but the most amazing candle close that we had for a very long time. So we have pushed to so Bitcoin closed its first weekly candle above our 77,000 level. So a new all-time high above our 77,000 level, currently at $80,000. This is exactly what we were mentioning. Basically, breaking this channel to the upside, pushing toward our 77,000 level, closing weekly candle. We couldn't have a better candle close than this, to be honest. So we mentioned on our previous video that if Bitcoin managed to break this candle, managed to break our 77,000 level and close a candle above it, that we had to keep an eye on the basically on the middle of this major upward channel. So this is a level that we are now keeping an eye on, around 80 to 90,000, which means if Bitcoin is able to push and break the middle of this upward channel and start closing weekly candle above this, the middle of this upward channel, this could open the door for major price targets such as the 110, 174, and 253,000, which where for us it makes sense to be called or to call the Bitcoin new market cycle top for this bull market. We don't know how Bitcoin is going to react to the middle of this upward channel, but in case we start closing candles above this level and all the support, this could be something similar to what happened in 2020. So meaning closing kind of above this, the middle of this channel, open the door to push to the top of this major upward channel. So meaning finding support above this middle of this channel could open the door to the top of this upward channel. So for that reason, you can see that the DXY is currently following Bitcoin, trying to recover along with Bitcoin, but we know we need this DXY to turn red, and turning red is what actually marks the acceleration process or the final stage to the market top, which so far there's no evidence, not yet, that the DXY wants to become red on the triple gap indicator, which means that despite of Bitcoin pushing above our 77,000 level, you still need to break through some resistance to allow the price to go higher or discover new all-time highs. And this is where most likely we're gonna have to see the DXY turning red as Bitcoin keeps pushing higher, and potentially will mark, and the DXY turning red will mark the final stage of the acceleration process. So far we have price going high, but we still need to see evidence that we are actually entering the acceleration phase, and which will mark the top of the current bull market. The DXY and Bitcoin ratios, so far we can see everything is clear. The ratio is already full on the golden area, on the golden box. You can see that the RSI is fully below this downward trend line, which is bullish. We've been saying that this is bullish, and this is why the price keeps pushing high, because we have RSI in the right position, moving towards our 18.62 level, which is where you want this RSI to come all the way down and becoming green, like on the previous, like what happened the previous acceleration process for Bitcoin. So every time the RSI turns green is when we go parabolic, basically, you can see, and this is what we are waiting to happen during this bull market as well. So fear and greed index, you can see that we are fully on the extreme greed, like we've been saying. We left the neutral territory where Bitcoin was moving sideways to actually breaking this channel to the upside and make a new all-time high. And this is why we are fully on the extreme greed at the moment. It seems like we are building support above the 74 price level, or the 74 level. You can see the 74 was acting as a resistance all the time, but currently we are beginning to build on top of that, 75, 76, 78. It seems like we are building support above the 74, meaning the right sentiment is in the market, and from now on the market will be fully on the extreme greed to keep fueling this breakout that just happened for Bitcoin. So that's the update for today, guys. We have a beautiful weekly candle close. We need now Bitcoin need to basically consolidate above this level and prepare to challenge the middle of this upward channel around 80,000-90,000, and breaking this level for sure will allow Bitcoin to discover new prices, like we mentioned previously. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you very much. I'll see you next week. Bye.